You're gonna remove these 3 8mm bolts. That's right.
What is that? Cologne?
It's an air control valve.
This motion right here is exactly why you get a mechanic as a boyfriend. How'd you know this was bad?
It's usually what goes out on a Ford. On these motors.
You looked a little burned. Maybe.
Yeah.
How will we know if it's fixed?
It won't do what it was doing.
What's it doing?
It was going blah, 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 and then it'd die, and then it start up. Remember what the white van used to do?
Yeah.
It would do that. The white van, honestly, that's probably all it needed. Let's try it. Should have glued this together, huh? Welded it. Yeah. Woo. That's way better. Even with the lights on, it ain't doing it anymore. Remember with the lights on, it would go da da.
Yeah.
It's not doing it anymore. Woo. A little hard on that shift.